Lindsay with Organize to Save. Thank you so much for coming to check out my video today. Today we're going to talk all about Sunday prep. Now, Sunday prep, some of you are probably like, what is that? Well, I'm going to walk you through the 10 steps that I try to do every Sunday to help our week run smoother. So before we jump into it, don't forget to subscribe below and hit that little notification bell as you'll get notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive into this concept of Sunday prep. I'll walk you through the 10 steps that I try to do every Sunday that just help our lives run so much smoother throughout the week. So let's go ahead and get started. Clear out that fridge. So that's really important to do in the beginning of the week. That way you have a clean fridge throughout the week. I like to clean out the shelves using my Norwex kitchen cloth. Okay, so I don't know if this is silly to do, but what I find myself doing is as I'm taking things out of the fridge, anything that is old or expired or Tupperware that needs cleaned, I just pile it in the sink, and then once I'm completely done with the fridge, I will go through this, rinse out any of the things that need recycled, put the stuff in the dishwasher, throw away the trash, but it just kind of keeps it all in one spot, and then I'll come back and take care of this. So that's what I'm going to do now. Is all full up now, so I'm going to go ahead and start it, and then I will unload it later. Now that I've cleared out the fridge, the next step is to do some meal planning. So what I use, I have a couple different things here. So first, this is my recipe book. This is actually from the Happy Planner. It is their recipe book. I love this thing. I've been using it for a few months now, and just anytime we fall in love with a recipe, I go ahead and write it down and put it in here. Then this is my big calendar that I put on our fridge. So this guy is actually a full magnet, which is awesome. This is especially helpful for meal planning because I can see at a glance, things that we've previously done and plan out the next coming weeks. So typically I just plan 1 week of meals at a time. That just works the best for our family. And then the calendar also comes with this grocery list. All right, so what I'm going to do first is just jot down on my grocery list the things that I noticed as I was going through our fridge that we are low on. So I noticed we are low on yogurt and milk and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and jot that down. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and look at our calendar, see what we have going on this week, and then jot down some meals for the week. I will be doing a full meal planning tutorial later on, so keep your eyes out for that. Number 4 is to pack lunches. Now, since my daughter is just in preschool, she does not need to bring a lunch to school, but we have packed lunches for ourselves occasionally. So here you see me putting together some just simple mason jar salads. That is a great thing. They will keep for a long time. You can see how I layered all of this stuff, but maybe try that out. Step 5 is to restock snacks. I will link in the iCards above the video showing you how I organized our kids cabinet. Step 6 is to batch cook. Now this one has been really helpful for us. I like to try to make some make-ahead breakfast things or snacks that I can prepare early on in the week, so that way throughout the week we can just grab them and go. So here I am just making some banana bread muffins that we can grab throughout the week for an easy breakfast. While the muffins are baking, I just go ahead and empty out those clean dishes that I did earlier and restock the dishwasher with all of the stuff that I used to make the muffins. All of the bed linens in your home. So here you see me changing the bed sheets on our bed, but I also changed the sheets on our daughter's bed. Catch up on laundry. So here I had a ton of laundry. We hadn't done laundry in a few days, so I like to separate everything out by likeness. So I put all the darks together, towels together, lights, etc. I will do a future laundry hacks video, so keep an eye out for that. But I just separate everything and get laundry started, and then I will also fold the laundry and put it away. Number 9 is to pre-plan your outfits for the week. Pick out 5 tops and then 5 bottoms that go with it, and just keep it in one spot in my closet. So this just cuts out an extra step. I only have to pick from 5 things or 3 or however many are left throughout the week, and it just makes my mornings run so much smoother. And then finally, number 10 is to plan out your week. So regardless if you do this, in a paper planner, how I'm doing it here, or on your phone, just make sure that you review your week so you know what is coming up, if you need to move anything around, just so that there's no surprises and you can just have a productive week. Alright guys, well, we did it. That is our Sunday prep routine. So just to run through the steps again, number 1 is to clean out that fridge. Number 2, do your dishes. Number 3, plan your meals for the week. Number 4, pack any lunches for the week that you can, like we did the salads. Number 5 is to refill those snack bins. Number 6 is to cook ahead. Number 7, change your sheets. Number 8, do your laundry. Number 9, pick out your clothes for the week. And number 10, plan out your week, whether it be on your planner or in your phone. So I hope you guys picked up some great tips that you can implement into your Sunday prep routine. But let me know in the comments below, do you do other things on Sunday to help your weeks run smoother? Let us know so we can all learn from each other. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, subscribe below, and also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Organized to Save, and follow me on my blog at organizedtosave.com. I post lots of different ideas for you guys there as well. So thank you again, you guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.